Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Suresh, maxillofacial surgeon, Gnathosphere. What is the purpose of cosmetic jaw surgeries or what are the goals of cosmetic jaw surgeries? Anyone who has got a disproportionate jaw, it affects the overall confidence of an individual and self-esteem of an individual because of diminished facial aesthetics. Not only that, it also affects the function like biting, chewing, speech, and breathing issues. So, if someone has got these issues, to a larger extent, the psychological aspects and the functional aspects are affected. So, the goal of this cosmetic surgery is predominantly to improve one, aesthetics, two, the function of the jaw movements, three, the biting, the speech, and the airway issues, four, overall enhancement and stability of the aesthetics. These are the three important goals of cosmetic jaw surgery or orthognathic surgery. Who are the individuals who have this problem? Lot of teenagers, especially within the age group of 16 to 20 years, do have this problem which goes unrecognized, because of which they may be academically good, but because of that unpleasingly appearance of the face, they suffer internally. So this diminishes the overall confidence of a self-esteem and individual. So with a simple surgical procedure, the overall confidence, the function and self-esteem of an individual can be improved. That procedure we call it as cosmetic jaw surgeries or cosmetic facial surgeries or orthognathic surgeries. If you find this information valuable, please kindly share it with the people who are in need of it.